Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and today I'm going to do a big haul video for you guys. I just came back from the town and I will show you what I got. So here we go. So here are the stuffs which I got from the town center, and I know guys it's a lot. I was really tired while bringing all these stuffs, so I took a taxi, but let me show you what I got. I went to Poundland, Sainsbury and Superdrug. I also got some vegetables from the market. So from Poundland I got this dishwashing sponges, beauty blender, it's in pink color. I also bought these clothes for cleaning my kitchen and my house, and I also got some baby oil for my hair and some shampoo as well. This is from VO5 and it is really good. It's only £1. And I also got this cleansing water, baby wipes to remove my makeup. At first I picked up a makeup remover for myself. It was 2 for £1, but there were only 60 pieces of wipes, and in here you get 120 pieces of wipes. So I was like, I'm not gonna get that, I'm gonna get this, and it is really good for your skin. Since it's good for babies, it's gonna be good for your skin as well. So I got this one. So that's everything I got from Poundland. And from the market I got some okra for myself and this huge radish for £1. And from Superdrug I got these. I got this one from Poundland as well, so it's going there. And from Superdrug I got this coconut body oil, and I also got Garnier face wash and simple toner for myself. It is soothing facial toner and it is alcohol free. By the way, I also bought a cleansing water from Superdrug. It was $1.99, and then I went to Poundland and I saw this, and it's the same thing but bigger for £1. So I had to refund that one and get this one. So it was a good bargain. And from Sainsbury's I got lots of food because I have none in my house, to be honest. So I got chocolate for myself. It is fruit and nut. And I also got chicken and bacon salad for myself. This one is super yummy and I can't wait to try this. I also got some sausage and some hash browns, spinach and some kettle chips. And then I also got some cucumber for salad, bananas and tomato paste. And I also got some seedless red grape and some chewies as well. These are really good. And I also picked up some yum yum for myself. I definitely deserve that. And I also got white vinegar, kitchen towel, mixed bell peppers, and then carrots, tomatoes, mushroom and spring greens. So that's everything guys. Thank you so much for watching my haul video, and I love you all. Bye.